Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's another Travel Tip Tuesday. And this travel tip it's kind of important. This is something I usually try to do, is I always try to bring food. And food, I mean, I try to bring these. They're just tuna pouches, and I just get these packets of mayo from restaurants and I keep them. And I usually pack about 4 of the packets of tuna, 2 for Hassan, 2 for me. And I pack a little small bag of Triscuits or crackers so that we can eat it. Because there's been a couple of times when we've been, the first time when we went to the Netherlands, we went with one of my friends who was stationed over in Germany. Hi Quentin, hi Momoko. And there was one night we didn't get any food, and the restaurant in the hotel was closed and we had nothing to eat and we were starving. And I think at that time I had bought Easy Mac, but the thing with that is you need a microwave in order to cook the noodles, and there wasn't a microwave in our hotel, so we couldn't. So I found these packs, and when we were at ASOT earlier this year, I was hungry and I had some croissants. So what I did was I mixed the mayo in with the tuna and I put it on my croissant and I had that to eat, and it was good until I can get like actual food, because like sometimes I have to take certain medications and I need to make sure and eat because I don't want to fall out, and no, that's not good. So yeah, oh, and I also packed Biscoffs. These are so good. They're cookies from product with Belgium. They're just a really yummy kind of cookie thing. I always pack both of those things, and I also pack like vitamin C, because you always need vitamin C when you travel to try to keep your immune system as good as it can be. Like, I think I was almost starting to get sick again, so I just kept popping those. They're little vitamin C cough drop kind of things. So yeah, if you have not, please like and subscribe to my video, ring my bell, and I'll see you guys later. Bye everybody!